was running a 10x trade, and then the most unexpected thing happened. And it again happened last month, and the month before, and the month before that month. So what is that thing, guys? Trading is a little bit like eating red grapefruit, guys. It's initially bitter, but once you put in the hard work and you peel the skin off, it is sweet inside. And the best way in trading to actually become consistently profitable is to be honest with yourself, because if you're not honest with yourselves and if you keep on lying, this next trade will gonna be a profitable trade, or this previous trade was taken according to your plan but it wasn't, then you simply won't be able to make it in trading, guys. And let's face it, over 95% of traders fail in day trading. So what makes you think that you're part of this special 5% that can actually make it? Again, chances are against you. If you are looking at it from a mathematical or statistical point of view, there are a lot greater chances that you actually won't be able to succeed in trading. So again, what makes you think that you will be able to succeed? What this thing should be is that you should be able to historically and statistically prove that in month 1, 2, 3, 5, in your year 1, you were able to consistently make money. If the proof is not there, chances are that you probably won't be able to sustain this growth, guys. So what has been helping me throughout these years? So what this has been is the power of the double digits trades that I have historically been taking in the past over 12 years now. So what a double digit trade means is a trade that gives you over 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Some of those trades, guys, historically have been as high as 1 to 77, but anywhere in between, this is our golden session. So this is one thing that has been helping me. And of course, there are a lot of things around that, such as, finding great entries in order to have very high returns, because this is where you're minimizing your risk at the entry. If you don't get this at the very beginning of your trade, then chances are you won't be able to sustain a very high risk to reward ratio trade. On the other hand, what has also been helping me is the ability to hold on to these trades for a very long time. So some of those trades have been lasting for many days, and you won't be able to achieve a 77x trade if you open and close the trade in the same trading session. And since I mentioned double digit trades, I wanted to walk you through today's trade, which we closed, and this gave us 12x's or 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio, and this was a 2-day trade. I would also walk you through a couple of more examples so you can see why achieving double digits is very, very hard in the short term. Let's have a look, guys. Alrighty, guys, this is my trading room, and you can see here where this trade was closed. I just wanted to walk you to the beginning of the trade, which was 12th of May. So this is the beginning of the trade. I'm risking more than the usual stop loss on this trade was 33 points, and I usually risk around, 15 to 20 points, but environment was quite volatile, so this required for a slightly wider stop loss. Whenever you use fixed stop losses, it's all depending on the environment. So in this particular case, this was 33 points. And then fast forward to where we took profits. This was right here. And as you can see by the dates, this is the 14th of May. So this trade lasted 2 days precisely, and it gave me 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. Let me walk you through another example, which was again a double digits trade, and this trade was taken on the 8th of April 2025. And here is the trade with a stop loss around 33 points. As you can see, this trade actually progressed pretty quickly, and at some point within the same trading session, it was already giving me 32x's. But moving forward to the next trading session, this is the 9th of April, so we are already at 63x's. Unfortunately, I didn't close this trade here. I was waiting for this trade to go slightly lower, but as fate had it, the trade actually retraced a little bit, so I managed to get up to or down to 1 to 45 risk to reward ratio. This is where I closed the trades here at this level. So this was slightly over 1 to 45 risk to reward ratio, and this trade was a 2-day trade. So I opened the trade on the 8th of April and I closed it on the 9th of April. So this was over 24-hour trade. As you can see, the common thing between those two trades is time. Time is the linking element, and no wonder I'm using time as my leading force to decide if I should be taking profits or not. Most, I would say over 70 to 80% of those double-digit returning trades, they do appear in between 24 hours and 72 hours. In rare occasions, these trades might take up to 5 trading sessions to complete. So all in all, time is a very important factor when considering where to exit the trade, and you should definitely consider that too. Now back to the video, guys. And one last thing, guys, if for any reason you're finding the content of this video overwhelming, or if you have any additional questions, I would leave a link below so you can actually click on it and book a one-on-one session with myself. Most likely I will walk you through it personally. So if you have any questions regarding the day trading strategy, I will give you the ins and outs of the approach and why so many traders are finding it fascinating to trade with this system as opposed to any other day trading strategy. You can just leave me a comment below, like this video, because this would actually help a lot more traders to see that, if you of course think that this is content that is worth sharing. Anything else, guys, you know where to find me. Thank you so much for watching so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.